Hi guys, welcome. In today's video, we're going to learn how to ask for app permission in runtime. Here is a quick example. Now let's build it. Well, until the marshmallow came, permissions are granted automatically when the user installs the application. But now Google has changed the rules. Now we have to ask for the permissions in runtime if the user's Android version is or higher than Marshmallow. But before we get started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notification for more updates. As always, you will find the example code in the video description. In Android Studio, I have already created the layout with one button. And in the main activity, I initialize the button and assign it to its ID. So first we'll go to the manifest file and here we'll declare an app user permission. I am choosing this permission write external storage for this example. You can choose any permission you want. Now we can close this file. First call the set on click listener on this button. Inside the onView method, first we are going to check that if the user Android version is or above Marshmallow. For that, use if-else statement. If build dot versions dot sdk int greater or equal to build dot version codes dot m for Marshmallow. And here we'll handle the else statement first. I'm gonna simply show an text message that says permission is granted. Instead of text message, you can write your actual code in here. Like I said earlier, Android permissions are automatically granted when the user's Android version is below Marshmallow or Android 6. Now you are going to check if user already granted the permission or not. For that, type if get application context dot check self permission. This one with the Android permission. And the argument that it takes is the permission that you want to check. So type manifest dot permission and dot the permission that you want to check. In my case is write external storage. Equal to package manager dot permission granted. If the permission is granted, we will simply show this text message. So I will copy the paste this text message, but you can write your actual code that you want to do here instead of this message. And the in else statement means the permission is not granted, so I'll request for the permission. So type request permission, and in here we have to pass the permission in a string array. So type new string and the permission is manifest dot permission dot write external storage. And here we have to pass here and request code. I am typing 1, you can type any number you want. Now we have to override an method outside of the onCreate method. So we go to the outside of the onCreate method, and the method that we're gonna override is onRequestPermissionResult. And here in this method we have to check something, that if this request code that we get from this method equal to 1, this 1 means that the request code that we pasted earlier. Now inside this if statement we also have to check another thing, that is grand result. This result we also get from the onRequestPermission method. So grand result, here we pass the 0, because in our string earlier we have to paste the permission in our 0 position. I hope you know the position of the string arrays. Equal to package manager dot permission granted, and here we can simply show our toast message, and this else statement is the permission is not granted. So we'll show the toast message with the permission denied option. Now we can run this application. You see, when I click the button, it shows this dialog with the permission request. If I deny the permission, it says permission denied. And if I accept the permission, it says permission accepted. Now if I again click the button, now it says permission is granted. So guys, that's it for today, and if you have any queries related to this video, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you for watching.